Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2016 GMC Yukon SLT. This vehicle comes in an onyx black exterior color, 4-door sport utility SUV, seat 7 in a cocoa dune interior color, carrying a 5.3 liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 4-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on your side mirror with your turn signal, power lock buttons up at the top, power folding side mirrors and automatic power windows with child safety locks, 2 memory seat options down at the bottom with your Bose speaker, a couple storage spaces along the bottom. Door panel comes in a cocoa and dune brown leather with the wood grain insert. Both front seats are powered in a perforated dune leather. You have lumbar support, headrest adjustment. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive controls. Trailer braking down at the bottom. Traction control, park assist, lane assist, and your foot pedal adjuster. Brown leather wrapped steering wheel. Power adjustable steering wheel. You have your gap adjustment, cruise control, heated steering, as well as your menu and voice recognition with your volume just behind the steering wheel. This vehicle is a push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. Touchscreen infotainment system. You have your backup camera with guidelines. AM FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities. You can pair your vehicle up with Bluetooth. The vehicle comes with navigation. You have your DVD screen as well. Underneath you have this button here, which lifts that and reveals your hidden compartment with an extra USB port. Push it again to close it. CD and DVD player in the middle. Manual climate control with your rear climate control as well. Heated and air-cooled front seats. You have some power outlets and USB ports. Storage compartments with 2 cup holders. Wireless phone charging up the top. Large center console with lots of storage space. Power bank to the left with your USB and auxiliary to the right. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your sunglass compartment with a little mirror to see your rear passengers. Rear trunk access with your sunroof controls, universal garage opener and overhead lighting. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle. You also have the sunroof for you and your front passenger, manual shade covering. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle now. We'll start off with the 22-inch GMC rims on all-season tires. Color matched side mirror and handle grips with keyless entry. Side steps on either side. You have your gas tank. Chrome badging along the vehicle. Rear parking sensors with a backup camera and rear wiper blade. Powered trunk. Extra storage space up the front. We have your headsets back here as well. Access to the 60-40 split third row seats. Power folding third row seating. As well as your collapsible second row for those extra long items. Third row powers back up. You have your power button on the top right. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your cocoa dune door panel with a wood grain insert. Speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the dune leather. You have your captain's chair setup with armrests on either side. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats with speakers. Heated second row seats with all of your video player power outlets with USB. Storage space underneath, rear climate control. Up top you have your DVD screen with your remote, overhead lighting and handle grips, air vents inside of your headliner. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle now, you have your mud flaps on all four corners, chrome trim around the windows. This vehicle comes with remote start. You have shark fin antenna above the driver's seat. Headlights and fog lights with a chromed grille, front parking sensors. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out on our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.